Welcome back to another video. I'm very glad that you tuned in. Maybe the title confused you a little bit, or you are wondering how it's possible to borrow money and get paid for it. That's why we have prepared a little presentation on Anchor Protocol for you. I have to say that it is actually quite complex, but I am trying to keep it as simple as possible. If you want to go into more detail, I will leave a link to an article that is more technical. But for now, let's start with the basics. Running on the Terra blockchain, the Anchor Protocol functions as a money market. Borrowers and lenders hold funds for the duration of the loans. Stablecoins can be deposited on the platform by lenders, and they will earn rewards for it. On the other hand, borrowers are given stablecoins in return for depositing assets as collateral. What is extremely important to know is that Luna is the only cryptocurrency that is accepted as collateral. Anchor adjusts the saving or borrowing rates accordingly. Meaning if there are more borrowers than savers, then the borrowing rate goes up. If there are more savers, the interest rate goes down. I hope this will make more sense when I show you the working product. Over at their website, the first option we have is to earn money by depositing UST. The APY has been around 20% and stayed very stable over the past months. The interest is largely paid by people who are borrowing money. And if we switch over to the Borrow tab, it gets a little tricky. It really had me confused the first time I was seeing it, because as you can see you are getting paid to borrow money. That sounds insane. How is this possible? We got two rates over here. First, we got the borrowing rate. At the moment you have to pay almost 22% on your loan. Remember, this money is used to pay the savers. Second, we have got the distributing rate. You get rewarded in Anchor tokens if you borrow funds. Currently at a rate of 50%. That means you pay 22% for the loan but get 50% in Anchor rewards. Leaving you with a net APR of 28%. Now you might wondering, where are the Anchor tokens coming from? They come from staking rewards from other proof-of-stake blockchains. That was a lot to take in. You might want to hit rewind and watch it again, or leave a question in the comments. If you want to borrow money on the Anchor Protocol, you have to use Luna as collateral. I'm not really interested in that. At the end of this video I am going to show you why I prefer staking UST over borrowing funds. If you happen to like numbers, you can find a lot of information on the website. From total value locked to total collateral value. Check it out if you are a numbers guy. Before we make a UST deposit, let me summarize the benefits of Anchor quickly. You will be happy to hear that Anchor Protocol is completely decentralized, and no KYC is required. Besides having a great interest rate, there are no lockup periods. You can get your money out whenever you want. What I also like is that you can start with any amount. There is no minimum deposit. Let's move on and purchase some UST. Therefore we need to install the Terra Station. You can download the Terra Station on your phone, or use the Chrome extension. Both versions work absolutely fine. We will need one wallet to connect to Anchor Protocol later. After you have set up your wallet, you need to buy some UST. At the moment the best place to buy it is KuCoin. They got many different trading pairs and very good liquidity. I'm going to buy some UST on KuCoin right now. Once you are on the exchange you need to select a trading pair. I would like to use Tether to purchase UST. After you've bought some UST you send it to your Terra wallet. This is the easiest way to connect to Anchor. I've just sent it over to my wallet, and it only took a few seconds until it arrived. The Terra blockchain is really fast with much lower fees than Ethereum. Let's move on and simply make a deposit. Just remember to keep a few dollars in your wallet to pay for transaction fees. All done, now we start earning money with Anchor. Last but not least, let me tell you why I am not borrowing money, even though the APR is positive. The reason being is that I don't like to use Luna as collateral. In my opinion, the chances are too high of getting liquidated. If I get a loan I like to use gold as collateral, because its price action is more stable. If we take a look at the chart of Luna you can see the massive drop we had. To be fair, the entire market dropped, but if you would have used Luna, you would have been liquidated. I actually like Luna, but not for this purpose. Thanks again for staying all the way through. We hope this video had some value for you. Please leave a comment with a video you would like to see next. Hit that subscribe button and we will see you next time.